Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
So before demo, could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
I'm Jeff. I got 2 Scorpion XF15s on 2 JP23s. I got a JP23-4 for the doors, 2 XS power batteries, box is 7.98 cubes at the replacement, 232 rooms.
Nice. Did you build the box?
I did.
Okay. Looks really good.
First time for a big one.
Yeah. So definitely have your optimal space for a dual setup.
Yeah. When I'm done paying the car off, I plan on going 415s.
So are you gonna try to keep your?
No, I'm gonna probably get rid of all this.
Okay.
Probably come up a little bit more.
Yes, sir.
So.
Wow. All right. Nice. Do you have any upgraded alternator?
I have a Autotech 300.
Okay.
And then I got an Odyssey under the hood too.
All right.
The roof is done, but I put the headliner back.
Yeah. So you got some mod.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna do some upgrades eventually. Yeah, we're gonna get there.
You're not happy with it yet?
Nah, not yet. I want more.
You want more?
Yeah.
So I guess that means 4 15s instead of 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told him I want to do XP3s.
Okay.
So I'm down.
Yep. Is there a way I can see the back of the box?
Yeah. Okay.
It gets down and works. Did you do any kind of testing for depth here?
No, I didn't. Pretty much just did maximum dimensions.
Man, you really break. It's still flexing a lot, tears it up, yep.
This thing's aluminum can, man. That's it.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
Young money. she wears red bottom heels.
That looks like mid to low 20s and 30s, or not 20s, 30 hertz range.
Yeah.
Sounds pretty good, man.
Most definitely.
Nice.
Appreciate that.
I do notice that your roof flexes a lot. Even
Yeah.
trying to stop it, it just won't. You can't stop all the flex. So I appreciate the demo, man.
Oh, anytime. Absolutely.
Nice. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you. Yes, sir.